In this tutorial, I'll show you how to trade options on Tastytrade. Firstly, to trade options, you need a brokerage account that allows it. Choose a broker that supports options trading, like Tastytrade, Robinhood, etc. Fill out an application and wait for approval. Every successful trader has a strategy. Your plan should include how much you're willing to invest, your risk tolerance, which strategies you'll use, and entry and exit rules. Now, look for stocks or ETFs you expect to move in a certain direction. Use technical and fundamental analysis, watch market trends and news, or use stock screens to filter based on volatility and volume. Now, decide your move based on your market predictions, buy a call, buy a put, or sell option. Once your trade is live, track it closely. Set alerts for price movements, be ready to close or adjust your position before expiration, and take profits or cut losses based on your plan.